Hi dears, good morning. How are you? Mm, you all are doing well. Okay, thank you. Hope you all are watched my first video and did the exercise regularly. In these days, most of the time, you all are using mobiles and computers. That is why your fingers have feeling some difficulties. I can help you to manage this problem by doing some exercise. Okay, are you ready?
Hands and finger exercise can help strengthen your hands and fingers, increase your range of motion, and give you pain relief. Stretch only until you feel tightness. You should not feel pain. Start with this simple stretch.
Hi, good morning. I am Leo. Today I am going to show you some exercises. It will help strengthen your hands and fingers. Let's go.
The first exercise is make a fist. Make a gentle fist. Warm your thumb across your fingers. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds. Release and spread your fingers wide. Repeat this both hands at least 4 times. Watch carefully. Then relax. Second one is finger stretch. Try this stretch to help with pain relief and to improve the range of motion in your hands. Place your hands palm down on a table or other flat surface. Gently straighten your fingers as flat as you can against the surface without force your joints. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds and then release. Repeat at least 4 times with each hands. Then relax. The third one is claw stretch. This stretch helps improve the range of motion in your fingers. Hold your hands out in front of you, palm facing you. Bend your fingertip down to touch the base of each finger joint. Your hand should look a little like a claw. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds and release. Repeat at least 4 times on each hands. Relax your fingers. The fourth exercise is grip strengthener. This exercise can make it easier to open doorknobs and hold things without dropping them. Hold a soft ball in your palm and use it as hard as you can. Hold for few seconds and release. Repeat 10 to 15 times on each hands. Do this exercise 2 to 3 times a week, but rest your hands for 48 hours in between sessions. Don't do this exercise if your thumb joint is damaged. Relax. Pinch strengthener is the fifth exercise. This exercise helps strengthen the muscles of your fingers and thumb. It can help you turn keys, open food package, and use the gas pump more easily. Pinch a soft foam ball or some putty between the tips of your fingers and your thumbs. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds. Repeat 10 to 15 times on both hands. Do this exercise 2 to 3 times a week. but rest your hands for 48 hours in between session. Don't do this exercise if your thumb joint is damaged. Relax. Next exercise is finger lift. Use this exercise to help increase the range of motion and flexibility in your fingers. Place your hand flat, palm down, on a table or other surface. Gently lift one finger at a time of the table and then lower it. One by one. You can also lift all your fingers and thumb at once and then lower. Repeat 8 to 12 times on each hands. Relax. Seventh exercise is thumb extension. Strengthening the muscles of your thumbs can help you grab and lift heavy things like can and bottles. Put your hands flat on a table. Wrap a rubber band around your hand at the base of your finger joint. Gently move your thumb away from your finger as far as you can. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds and release. The next hand. Gently move your thumbs away from your fingers. Yes, very good. Repeat 10 to 15 times with both hands. You can do this exercise 2 to 3 times a week. Relax your fingers. Next is thumb flex. This exercise helps increase the range of motion in your thumbs. Start with your hand out in front of you, palm up. Extend your thumb away from your other fingers as far as you can. Then bend your thumb across your palm. So it touches the base of your small fingers. 10. The thumb touches the base of your small finger. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds. Repeat at least 4 times with both thumbs. Relax. Thumb touch is the next exercise. This exercise helps increase the range of motion in your thumbs, which helps with activities like picking up your toothbrush, fork and spoon, and pen when you write. Hold your hands out in front of you with your wrist straight. Gently touch your thumb to each of your 4 fingertips, one at a time, making a shape of an O. Hold each stretch for 30 to 60 seconds. Repeat at least 4 times on each hands. Relax. 10th exercise is thumb stretches. Try these 2 stretches for your thumb joints. Hold your hand out, palm facing you. Gently bend the tip of your thumb down towards the base of your index finger. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds. Release and repeat 4 times. Hold your hand out, palm facing you. Gently stretch your thumb across your palm using just your lower thumb joint. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds. Release and repeat 4 times. Relax. Some exercise tip also give you all. If your hands and fingers feel painful and stiff, try warming them up before your exercise. This can make it easier to move and stretch. You can do like this. Hold some hot water in your both hands. Use a heating pad or soak them in warm water for about 2 to 5 minutes. Or for a deeper warmth, rub some oil on your hands. Put on a pair of rubber gloves and then soak them in warm water for a few minutes.
If you have pain in your hands or your fingers, just do this exercise. You will release that difficulty. Thank you for watching me.